Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how you can use Google Docs to actually format and add citation information for your research. So what I've done is I've pulled up an article over here on the left side. It's an article about plagiarism from Purdue's online writing lab. And then here I've got a sentence that I'm using word for word, um, just off of this opening sentence of the article. So if I leave the sentence like this, I'm plagiarizing essentially. So what I have to do is I have to give proper credit for this source. So one of the things I'm going to do, obviously, is I'm going to um, quote it to show that I am using direct quotes. And there are, I mean, this online writing lab has a lot of resources to show you how to put the citation stuff together, but I'm going to show you how to use the Google Docs tools to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to tools and then I'm going to click here on citations, and you see it pulls up this little side menu, and I will add all of my sources. Now we are using MLA 8th edition in class, so you're just going to leave that there, and then you're going to click add citation source. So first of all, my source type is going to be a website, and then I accessed it by website. And then it gives you fields that you're going to use to put the citation together. So the first one is going to be the author. Now, for this article, there's not an author. Typically, you're going to see it under the title here, but this is done by the organization. So one of the things that you can do when it's got corporation organization, I'm going to check this box, and then it's going to ask me the corporation or organization name. If I go down here to this bottom information, these are going to be the key organizations or corporations or whatever. So I'm just going to use Purdue University as the organization that did this. Right. And then the next thing we can go to is the title of the article, which is right here. That is plagiarism overview. So I'll put that there. The website title is the name of the entire website. So one of the things that you can do is check the URL. So this is owl.purdue.edu. The website is the online writing lab. So Purdue Online Writing Lab is going to be my website title. Publisher is going to be the company or organization that published it. So down here, I've got all these different ones. Again, I'm just going to use Purdue University for this. The URL, I can just click here to highlight all of this and copy and paste the URL in there. All right, so published day, month, year. I have to have at least a year. What you're going to look for is the copyright, typically down here at the bottom. So you see this is copywritten 1995 to 2020. So I'm going to use the most recent year, 2020. So my published year, 2020. Access today is going to be the day that I got on it. Today is the 21st of April, 2021. And then short title is going to be if you have a really, really long article title, then you can shorten it as a reference, and that would be for the parenthetical in text citation. This one, plagiarism overview, is pretty short, so we're not going to worry about that. But I might just shorten it to plagiarism. Uh, Once I get that done, I'm ready to um, add the citation source. And you see here, it creates this. It creates the entry for me. Now, when I'm writing my paper, if I need to do in-text citation, I just go to the end of the sentence here, and then I can click cite, and you'll see that it adds the in-text citation for that. When I'm done, after you've put your whole paper together or have got all of your entries in there, um, you can create a bibliography by just using this button, insert bibliography, and you'll see that it automatically adds bibliography, and it formats it, it puts it in the correct order and all that. So definitely use this tool. It will save you a lot of time, and then just you got to make sure you double check and make sure everything looks good as you go. So hopefully that gives you some really easy ways to put citations together.